Hey there, my friends. Welcome to Section 2 of our Instagram Marketing 3.0 video training, Marketing on Instagram Step by Step. In this section, we're going to teach you step by step how to use Instagram as a powerful marketing tool. In this section, you will learn how to set up your Instagram for Business profile, how to manage your Instagram business settings, how to post and share your marketing content the right way, what are Instagram stories, and how to create your own. What is Instagram advertising, and what types of ads can you create on Instagram? So, allow us to take you by the hand and show you how to set up your Instagram for Business profile. We hope that you enjoy and make the most out of what you're about to learn, so let's get started. Set up Instagram for Business. Okay, so to properly market and promote your business as well as your offers on Instagram, you will need to operate as a business profile by switching from a personal Instagram account to a business Instagram account. Doing so is quite easy, and you will simply need to start by logging into your personal Instagram account from your smart device of choice by either entering your registered phone number, your registration email, or your Instagram username, entering your password, and then tapping on Login. In our case, we are going to log in using our username. Then we will simply enter our password and we'll tap on Login. Okay, once you are inside your account, look for the profile icon on the lower right corner on your device's screen and tap on it. Now, here comes the first step. Look for the three dotted button located on the top right corner on your screen and tap on it. You will be taken to the Options section, from where you will be able to configure your Instagram account settings. So let's move on to the next step by going to the Account menu. There, simply look for the Switch to Business Account tab. Tapping on this tab is what will allow you to use Instagram as a business entity so you can access and use Instagram's business tools. Before tapping on this tab though, look at the Private Account option below the Switch to Business Account tab and tap on the Switch button on the right in case that it is set as On to make your account public, and then tap on OK when prompted, as you won't be able to switch to a business account while your personal account is set as a private account. Cool. Now that your Instagram account is public, simply tap on the Switch to Business Account tab to get started and tap on Continue in the next screen. As you can see here, having an Instagram business account will allow you to add a phone number, an email, or a location so customers can reach you directly using a button on your profile. It will allow you to see insights about your followers and to learn how your posts are performing. And it will also allow you to create promotions that will help you to grow your business. All right. So let's tap on the last Continue button to see what's next. The next step will require you to connect your business profile with your Facebook business page. Start by tapping on the Choose Page tab. First, you will be asked to continue to Facebook using your account of choice. In our case, we are going to continue using our default Facebook account, the one that we are signed into on our device. So make sure to be signed into Facebook on your device beforehand. Then simply tap on Continue. Next, you will be asked to allow Instagram to post to Facebook for you, and you'll simply have to tap on the drop-down menu to select Public and then on OK to continue. In the next screen, you will be asked to allow Instagram to manage your pages. Simply tap on OK here as well to continue. Now in the next screen, simply select your Facebook page. In our case, we are going to select the Facebook page corresponding to our business. In case that you don't have a business page on Facebook, you can always use the Create One link located at the bottom of the screen. Once you have made your selection, simply tap on the arrow button on the top right corner. Now you'll be instructed to set up your business profile. You'll be asked for your business email, your phone number, and your business address. If some of this information is saved on your Facebook page, Instagram will pull it from there. Note that you will need to enter at least one piece of information to continue from this step, and in our case, we're going to enter our email address. You can always edit this anytime later on, and we will leave it as it is, so we can edit it in our following video. So simply tap on the OK button on top to continue. Congratulations! Now you've switched to an Instagram business account. There will be new features available so you can better promote and track your business. And in the next video, we are going to walk you through your new business settings.